Hello, I am a 10th grade student at Harmony Science Academy, Beaumont.
Hello, I'm also a student at Harmony Science Academy. I'm also in 10th grade. Today we're gonna discuss about our PBL project. Our PBL project is Fireproof balloons. Today we're gonna tell you how a balloon can be fireproof and how we can prevent it from popping.
The key principles of this experiment were heat conduction and heat capacity. Heat conduction is how thermal energy from a heat source travels through materials like latex, water, and air. Heat capacity, on the other hand, is how much thermal energy is needed to increase the temperature of a material up 1 degree Celsius.
The materials we need for our PBL project are two different kinds of balloon. It is better to have a different color. We need a lighter and we need little water, and for safety you can also use goggles.
The procedure of this experiment was also rather simple. First, you had to fill a balloon completely with air. You also had to have a balloon filled partially with water and partially with air. And then you had to find your light source, which was in this case the lighter, and put it under the balloon filled only with air. And you had to observe what happened. And then you next had to take your balloon filled partially with water and partially with air and put that over the heat source and observe what happened. As you can see, this balloon did not pop. The reason for this is also rather simple. The air inside the balloon filled only with air expanded rather quickly because it had a low heat capacity, whereas the balloon filled partially with water and partially with air had a higher heat capacity, so the molecules did not expand as quickly and pop the balloon as fast. This effectively made it fireproof.
So we also need to do our ELA component for our PBL project. In our ELA component, we just need to do 9 journal entries. We can do more, but we just need to do 9 journal entries. In our journal entries, we need to discuss about how was our experience during our PBL project and what were our feelings during the PBL project. We have to describe it in our own words.
We also had to do a social studies connection for our PBL project. We chose to do a history connection where we connected the parts of our experiment with parts in history. For example, the man who discovered heat conduction and investigated it, the man who investigated heat and thermal capacity, and also the discovery and invention of latex balloons and other such things that are related to this experiment. We are students at Harmony Science Academy Beaumont, and at Harmony Science Academies, we believe in the higher merits of science and math and STEM education. We also believe in the merits of higher education, such as secondary education. Thank you for watching Science Rules.